Do you have a puny front door? Have you ever wanted it to be much bigger? I'm going to show you what that entails and what goes into making this door much bigger.
Desert King windows, we knock out the weather.
All right, this is a big trend and this one's not going anywhere. And this is making a smaller front door into a larger front door. A lot of people really want this for their house because it's more of a grand entrance. The front door is, it's the first impression of your entire house. So it's incredibly important. And the ROI on replacing your front door is very high. In fact, 2025 right now, Remodeling Magazine Cost versus Value Report says it's 105% return in investment. So this is something to consider for sure. This is a standard size, what's called a 3068 door. Okay, that's the RO size, the rough opening size. Now we have to make this rough opening much larger to accommodate a bigger front door. So the first thing you have to think of is, all right, do I have enough space? Here, we obviously have enough space, otherwise we wouldn't have sold them this. So we definitely have the right size here. What we need to do is we need to go this way, but at the same time we need to go up. The homeowner here got very lucky because there is a header on top of this window. Every single opening in a house that has a door or it has a window needs to have a header, okay? Now a header is this right here that can bear all the weight of the roof. Again, homeowner got lucky, there's a header right on top of this window. So we do not have to reframe with a new header, okay? So that saved the homeowner quite a bit of labor. That's always a great thing. So once this door gets all taken out, okay, they're going to tear it all the way down to what's called the king studs. King studs are going all the way up and down, and they're right next to the header. The trimmer's right underneath it. And that right there is going to create our what's called our RO, rough opening. I mentioned it earlier. That will create this big old space. If we did not have that header up there, if the homeowner didn't get lucky here, what we'd have to do is construct a new header. Okay, much more invasive. Okay, so imagine that window's not there. We would have to tear out that entire area. We would have to build a temporary wall right here to support the weight of the roof while we made these changes. That way the roof doesn't cave in. You don't want that to happen. So insurance would love that. So then we'd have to rebuild and reframe the opening to accommodate a brand new header. Any electrical would have to be rerouted above the header and around, because you can't have it sneaking through the door or anything like that. That's against code. It's got to be done correctly. And basically that would create the entire new opening that we can fill with whatever we want. So a brand new front door is what they're going with. So this is going to make this entrance a lot nicer, a lot more attractive. Now we have come back to fix other works. Maybe some customers, sometimes they try to cut some costs and they go with Joe in a truck. That's a problem, and the reason is because that electrical thing that I was just talking about, they'll run the electrical right on top of the door here between the door and the header. That's not good. That is completely against code. That's just one of the many things that you have to worry about. But if you hire the right company, the company worries about it. The good company works out for it. You don't have to. That is incredibly important. Or maybe Joe in his truck didn't put up a temporary wall and just started tearing it all out, thinking it was going to be fine because it worked on the last house when they did it. That's not going to work. You could literally have your roof cave in, and we have heard those horror stories. And your homeowner's insurance, well, if he doesn't have insurance, your homeowner's insurance isn't going to be okay with it. That's going to be a huge mess. So again, you got to make sure you're with a licensed, bonded, insured contractor. Very important. So if you're planning on doing a big project like this, please remember, please be careful when picking the right company to do it. Don't trust Joe in the truck. Trust the experts. It is important. It is more important than the door you choose, is the company that you choose. So please make sure that it's the right company and the right person that you're trusting. Choosing new windows can be overwhelming. There's tons of information out there and AI might miss the mark. But our free window buyer's guide, backed with 25 years of experience, makes it simple. No overcomplicated jargon, just facts to help you decide with confidence. And don't forget to get 3 bids. And if you're in one of our areas, make sure Desert King is one of them. You'll be glad you did.
We use the best windows, 'cause nothing works better. Desert King windows, we knock out the weather.